Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem which says set user settings to driver field. I've got fix for this, so don't worry and make sure you stick till the end of this video so you won't miss out any other step. Open task manager and search for ALPS. Just right click on LPS pointing device and then click on end task, and then right click on this as well and then click on end task. Then click on these three lines, go over to details and then click on and then right click on head monitor sys and click on end task from here. Click end process and restart your PC, and hopefully your problem is solved. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video and help you solve your problem. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.